So before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. Hey everyone, Siddhant here, and today I'm going to show you guys the review of the Mi Band 3 after using it for more than a month. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So let's start the video with the design and the build quality of the band. So the Mi Band 3 is made up of plastic and feels really good and lightweight in the hand. You can almost forget that you're wearing a band. Now Xiaomi has made one major redesign in the design of the band. Earlier in the Mi Band design, the tracker could come off really easily, which is the reason that I lost my HRX edition. Now that is not the case in this year's band. It fits in the band really tightly and the overall build quality feels solid. Now at the front of the band we have a 0.78 inch OLED screen followed by a button, and at the bottom we have the charging pins to charge the band, and at the back we have the heart rate sensor. Now talking about the specs, it has a 0.78 inch OLED display, and yes, it is a touchscreen. It has 110 mAh battery and it is waterproof up to 50 meters, so you can go swimming with the band. I have made a separate video about the water test of this band, which you can find in the I button above. Now it connects via Bluetooth and supports all devices from Android 4.4 and iOS 7.0 and above. Now talking about the performance of the band, the pedometer is 90% accurate, and which is really good considering the price, as none of the fitness tracker is 100% accurate, and the heart rate tracker also works really well, but sometimes it does not register. The sleep tracker is surprisingly good too. I would say it's 95% accurate, which is pretty surprising. Now touchscreen is really responsive and the UI feels really smooth. It has bunch of features like notification alerts, stopwatch, watch faces, find device and many more. I have also made a separate video about the tips and tricks and the secret features of this band, which you can also find in the I button. Now talking about the battery life of the band, it has a 110 mAh battery, which in my testing lasted about 16 days with 10% left, which I guess is good enough for most of the people. So all in conclusion, for a price of 2000 rupees, I would say it is one of the best fitness tracker in the market. So if you are looking for a fitness tracker for around 2000 rupees, I would highly recommend this, guys, and the best buy link will be down in the description as always. So yeah guys, this was basically the quick review of this band. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace out.